What's going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now, investing into crypto can be super exciting, but at the same time, it can be really overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner. Now, Coinbase is one of the most popular crypto exchanges, and at the same time, it's one of the most beginner friendly. This guide is going to walk you guys through on how to set up your guys' account, link your payment information, and make your first investment. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, if you guys want to follow along with what I'm doing or even try out the platform for yourself, there's going to be a link down below for a free trial of the platform, and that's actually going to give you guys some free crypto as well. And once you guys click on the link, as you guys see right over here, you can get up to $200 worth of free crypto. So from here, let's go ahead and open up the sign up button. I'm going to go to open it incognito because I already have an account. So we're going to be creating an account for an individual, and here's going to be the email that we're going to use. Awesome. Let's go ahead and press continue. We should get a verification code to keep things secure. And once we've verified it, let's go ahead and create our password here, entering you guys' first and last name, as well as your guys' phone number. Again, all of this is to make sure you guys' account is going to be secure. Cool. I'm going to verify my phone number here. Alrighty. Now our account has been created. So from here, all we need to do is just tell the platform a little bit about ourselves, and from there, verify our identity. The verifying identity is going to be the important part to make sure you guys are a real human being. You will need an ID of some sort in order to verify it. So go ahead, provide information, take a photo of it, and then you guys are going to be ready to rock. Here's what the user interface is going to look like. From here, the very first thing you guys want to do is add a payment method. So go ahead and go to add payment method, and you can go ahead and select your guys' bank account, debit card, PayPal, a wire transfer, or even a gift card. And once you guys have that payment method set up, let's go ahead and go to the explore option here. As you guys see, there's going to be all the different cryptocurrencies here. There's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, USDC, all sorts of ones. And it's simple as getting something at the store. All we would need to do is just press buy here, enter in how much we want to buy it for. So let's say if I want to do $100 USD, all I would need to do is just type in $100. It's going to tell me how much Bitcoin that equals, and then boom, review order, and it's ready to go. This is a demo account, so I don't have my bank set up with this account specifically, and that's why I'm getting this little error right over here. From here, you guys can also go ahead and press the sell option as well as to convert it from Bitcoin to Ethereum, so on and so forth. But the main point I'm trying to drill in here is the fact that the system is really simple to use. Even though Coinbase's fees can be higher than a lot of other platforms, it does make up with its simplicity. So if you guys want to buy XRP or Solana or any other coin, all you need to do is just press buy, and you're ready to go. You can also actually change it to be limit order or a recurring purchase, but it's kind of up to you guys. With the limit order, you can actually set it to buy at a certain limit or point when a price actually achieves it. So for example, if price is at a certain point, then we tell the system to buy it for us. We can also do the same thing when it comes to selling, and a lot of times that's going to be the more useful option. And the recurring buy is really useful for folks that just want to consistently invest in your guys' account. So let's say you guys are getting paid bi-weekly, you can have a recurring purchase of Bitcoin worth of $100, and that way you guys don't have to think about it. And if you guys want to see all of your assets in one place, all you need to do is just go to my assets, and you're able to see you guys' whole portfolio here, ranging from all the coins you guys own to the cash that's in your guys' account. And taking out the money from the system is pretty easy as well. All you need to do is either send crypto if you want to send it out, receive it if you want to receive it from somebody, deposit cash, so bring more cash inside the system, or withdraw cash as well. If you go to transactions, you guys will be able to see a detailed log of all the transactions to make sure that everything lines up to par. And if you guys are trading on a pretty frequent amount and do want to limit your guys' fees, I would also check out Coinbase One. That gives you guys access to zero trading fees, but it is going to cost you guys monthly or annually. Again, for a beginner, this may be a little overwhelming just because you may have access to a lot more features that you may not need. However, if you guys are trading at a frequent amount, I just want you guys to know that that option is there. And when it comes to storing crypto, you can either keep it inside of Coinbase, inside of a crypto wallet of some sort. And for most of you guys that are watching this video, this is going to be the best option. And the reason for that is because it's going to be the easiest. And if you guys do want to take it up a notch, there are going to be two other versions you can also do: the hardware wallets and the software wallets. With the hardware wallet, it's actually a piece of hardware where you can go ahead and keep your crypto on. But with the software wallet, it's going to be other platforms like MetaMask that's going to keep you guys' crypto safe. Again, if you guys are just starting off, I would just stick with a Coinbase wallet. It's going to be super easy and it's going to do all you guys need. However, as you guys scale or if you guys get super into it, I just wanted you guys to have those options. And just make sure that you guys have the two-factor authentication set up for your guys' account, and that way it's going to be a lot more secure. And when it comes to the three popular trading strategies, here are the ones that I would look out for. The very first one, and this is quite common, which is dollar cost averaging. Now I touched base on this a little early in the video, but what I mean by this is, let's say you guys are getting paid every 2 weeks, is to have a certain amount to being deposited inside you guys' Coinbase And that way, your portfolio is going to grow over time. The benefit of that is that you guys are going to reduce the volatility of the market, and that can be a huge case when it comes to crypto. The second way that you can also think about it is just by holding it for as long as possible. Setting it and forgetting it can be a really good mindset if you guys don't want to worry about it at all. But if you guys do want to get into the weeds a little more, you could also become an active trader, meaning you trade on a more frequent basis, but that will require a lot more research. And there you have it, folks. As you guys saw, setting up and using Coinbase is super easy. By following this guide, you can have your guys' Coinbase account set up in minutes and get started on your guys' investment journey. So if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself and get some free crypto while you guys are at it, the link for it is going to be down below in the description. And if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.